Hello, my name is Rachel Salas and I'm a student assistant in the Creat'R Lab. We're open 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Fridays. Today I'll show how to use the Brother SE600 sewing machine. Keep loose clothing, hair, and items out the way to prevent any hazards. The Brother SE600 is on the right side of the sewing station. To the left is the supply rack for students and faculty. Find our list of supplies in the Creat'R Lab Lip Guides located on our website. The glowing light with an arrow pointing up indicates the machine's mode. Red means you can't sew. The bobbin winder must be pushed to the right to turn orange, or bobbin mode. Pull the foot lever down and now it will grow green for the sew mode. The thread tension dial above the arrow ranges from 0 to 9. The lower the value, the looser the threading, and the higher the value, the tighter tension will be stitched. The dotted U-turn line is the reinforcement button that will reverse stitch once. The needle is used to bring down the needle. The scissors will cut the upper and bobbin threading. The slider is the speed adjustment, with the left being the regular needle time and the right being the fastest mode. The sewing stitches are the bottom left button on the operation key panel. There are over 50 available stitches for your design. The paper icon is the settings key. We have these set to the default settings. The question mark sewing machine is the help key, giving a short picture tutorial on different functions. The circle, arrow, and needle is the needle lock key. All controls will be locked with this function on. Let's learn how to wind a bobbin. We'll need your choice of thread and an empty bobbin. We used the metal hook, the nook corner, the hook and circle, and the winder. First, insert the thread by pulling it under or through the hook. Wrap the thread around the nook's corner and toward the second metal hook clockwise. Then wrap around the metal circle counterclockwise and pull it towards the bobbin winder. To attach the thread to your bobbin, insert the thread in the middle of the bobbin. The thread should be peeking out the bobbin and not in. The bobbin sits on the circular plate with slits that have blades to cut the excess thread, with grooves on one side and a flat top. Make sure the grooves are on the bottom and it's locked into place, then push the winder to the right to set the machine to bobbin mode. Place the bobbin on top and pull the thread through the blade to cut off the excess. Then press on the foot pedal to wind the bobbin. The bobbin goes under this plastic piece under the needle. Pull the latch to remove the plastic cover. Insert the bobbin with the thread on the left-hand side. It should look like the letter P. Follow the grooves where the bobbin thread is inserted. The last part will cut off the thread's excess. Don't forget to place the plastic cover back on and click it into place. Now your bobbin's good to go. Now let's start the sewing machine. Pull the thread to the left and insert it under the metal hook and around the small bar. This time bring it all the way down that long slit and back up the left slit. There is a small metal hook inside the second slit to which the thread will go around it clockwise. Bring the thread back down the slit towards the sewing needle. There's a small hook above the needle to which the thread will go right behind it. Next to that is two nooks to which the thread can be inserted. Bring the thread to the left side and push down on the lever to insert the thread. If the thread does not insert from the last few steps, use the end of the thread and insert it into the needle by hand. If you still need assistance, please ask a student assistant for help. That is how you use the Brother SE600 sewing machine. For further help or questions, please come visit us in the Creat'R Lab, which is located in the Orbach Science Library, room 140. You can also email us at creatorlab@ucr.edu. Thank you.